Sketching flowers as warm-ups. This is a fun way to get your creative juices flowing in the morning. My good friend Beverly Bourne, who's an excellent watercolorist, introduced me to this little technique. It's a fun way to get started. She does it every morning. Just a little wet into wet, drop some pigment in there. This is an interesting brush. It's one of these oriental brushes. It's actually rat hair, believe it or not. It really has a fine point on it, holds a fair amount of pigment. Probably should have made those leaves a little larger, but this is just for fun, and it's just to get started in the morning. A little splatter goes a long way. Lifting out a little of the color in the flower. And the fun thing about this, these aren't botanical studies. They're just kind of make-believe flowers, and they're a lot of fun. I guess you could call these abstract, impressionistic. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the finished product. I did some earlier ones. These were 3. I've also taken a little pen and ink to these flowers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and click the like button. I'm trying to build an audience, and with your help, I'll be able to accomplish that. Thank you again.